In this video, we will learn how to multiple lines in line chart. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. You can see here profit and cost. I have a two column with the financial year. Okay. So I want the one line for profit, one line for cost. So click on the insert tab. In charts group, you can see the line chart option. Just click on this arrow. Click on this first option and here you can see the blank data, blank chart you show you. So we want to put here data, so right click of the mouse. Here you can see the option select data, just click on it. Now you have to select data as per you required chart line. So we want the chart line legend entries. Here you add your data for your line in chart. Okay, so I just enter the first line of profit. I want first line of profit, so then I select the full profit column. Okay, then click on OK. Here you can see the profit line is automatically added here and just click on OK. Now I want to add second line, so I just click on the again add option. I enter the cost second line, then I select the cost range of second line and then click on OK. Here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a horizontal category 1, 2, 3, 4. But here I want the financial year, so I edit here and select the range of financial year. Okay, then click on OK. Now here you see the financial year in horizontal added. Just click on OK. That's it. Your two line chart is ready. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.